Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to use APA PsycNet Direct to purchase single journal articles and book chapters that are published by APA. If you're affiliated with a university or research institution, first check with your library to see if you already have access to APA databases and content. You may be able to download the journal articles and book chapters you need for free through your library's website. If you don't have access to APA materials from your university or institution, APA PsycNet Direct offers two ways that you can pay to get access. First, you can purchase a 24-hour day pass that gives you access to APA Psych Info or APA Psych Extra. You can also purchase a combined pass to have 24-hour access to both databases. But if you're looking for just a few items on a specific topic, you may prefer to use APA PsycNet Direct's single item access. With this option, you'll search and browse APA Psych articles and APA Psych books for free, paying only for what you download. We'll focus on this second option for the rest of the video. In APA PsycNet, let's start by searching on a topic. I'll conduct a very simple search for items pertaining to school violence. On the advanced search page, I'll type school violence in the search box. Notice that I'm using quotes around school violence to make sure that this concept is searched as a phrase. When the search is ready, I'll click the search button. The results page shows how many results were found in APA Psych Info, APA Psych articles, APA Psych books, and APA Psych Extra. If you want to access these items in APA Psych Info or APA Psych Extra, you'll need to purchase 24-hour access via APA PsycNet Direct. But you can see the search results page for free in APA Psych articles and APA Psych books. First, let's look through the results in APA Psych articles and see what we find. APA Psych articles is a database of full-text, peer-reviewed articles published by APA and affiliated journals. I'm going to select the result titled A Case Study on Threat Assessment to get a detailed information page for this article. If after reviewing the abstract you want to purchase this item, select the Purchase PDF button on the right-hand side. On the next page, click on Add to Cart. Now you'll be given the choice to keep looking or check out. Let's select the Look for More Articles/Chapters button. This time I'm going to go back to my results and select APA Psych Books to see if there are any results here that are useful. APA Psych Books is the most current library of APA published scholarly books. From it, you can purchase book chapters, but not entire ebooks. Again, like in APA Psych articles, if we see an item that looks promising, we can select the title and read the abstract. If we want to access it, we'll select the Purchase PDF button and then Add to Cart. This time, I'm ready to check out, so I'll select the Checkout button. In the shopping cart, you'll see all the items you added. If the shopping cart looks good, select the Checkout button. At this point, if you haven't already signed into your APA account, you'll be prompted to do so or create an account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, fill out the billing and credit card information and select the Submit Your Order button. Your receipt provides information on how to access the content and takes you to it via a direct link. From your My PsycNet account, you'll also be able to access your purchases for up to 1 year by selecting the Purchases button. Download your purchases as a PDF and save them on your computer to have permanent access to them. In summary, there are two ways to get access to APA databases and content if you don't have access through your university or institution. If what you're looking for is access to a few individual journal articles or book chapters, use APA PsycNet Direct's single item access. Search in APA Psych articles or APA Psych books for items on your topic and then purchase individual items as you go. It's that easy. Thanks for watching. For more tips and strategies, please see our YouTube channel or visit the APA website.